happy beside. The song that I sing is the song of the Clyde. Of all Scottish rivers, it's dearest to me. It flows from Lead Hills all the way to the sea. It borders the orchards of Lanark so fair, meanders through meadows with sheep grazing there. But from Glasgow to Greenock in towns on each side, the hammer's ding-dong is the song of the Clyde. Oh, the river Clyde, the wonderful Clyde. The name of it thrills me and fills me with pride, and I'm satisfied whate'er may betide. The sweetest of songs is the song of the Clyde. Imagine we've left Craig and Doran behind, and wind-happy yachts by Kilcreggan we find. At Cairn and Doon and in Ellen we stay. Then Scotland's Madeira, that's Rothsay they say. Or maybe by Fairley or Largs we will go, or over to Millport that thrills people so. Maybe journey to Arran, it can't be denied. These scenes all belong to the song of the Clyde. Oh, the river Clyde, the wonderful Clyde. The name of it thrills me and fills me with pride, and I'm satisfied whate'er may betide. The sweetest of songs is the song of the Clyde. There's Paul Madoon at the Brummel, they're going down the water for the fair. There's Bob and Mary on the Govan ferry, wishing jet propulsion could be there. There's steamers cruising, and there's buddies snoozing, and there's laddies fishing frae the pier. And prospects barring, very near expiring, as he rows a boat for there to hear. With eyes a flashing, this is voted smashing to be walking daily on the prom. And me and Evelyn are in seventh heaven as I stroll along with Dick and Tom. And Dumbarton Rock to every gene and jock extends a welcome that is high and wide. Seems to know that they are on the homeward way to hear the song of the Clyde. Oh, the river Clyde, the wonderful Clyde. The name of it thrills me and fills me with pride, and I'm satisfied whate'er may betide. The sweetest of songs is the song of the Clyde. The sweetest of songs is the song of the Clyde.
Bonny boat like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king, over the sea to sky. Loud the winds howl, loud the waves roar, thunder clouds rend the air. Baffled our foes stand by the shore, follow they will not dare. Speed bonny boat like a bird on the wing, onward the sailors cry. Carry the lad that's born to be king, over the sea to sky. Though the waves leap, soft shall ye sleep, ocean's a royal bed. Rocked in the deep, Flora will keep watch by your wheel.